Juicy spiced lamb meatballs meet cool, creamy tzatziki in this Mediterranean-inspired dish, infused with the health-enhancing properties of C60 Power's avocado oil. This meal balances rich flavors and biohacking benefits perfectly as a light dinner or an appetizer or as a snack. Let's make my famous lamb meatballs. These are so delicious, it's crazy. Now, I want to tell you a little bit about lamb because I am, or was, a lamb ambassador for the country of Australia. I'm also an Aussie beef mate, so I know a lot about lamb and beef. Now, all lamb is actually grass-fed. At least that's what they told me, that comes from Australia. And there's more sheep than humans in the country of Australia. And I think there's about as many cows as there are humans in the country of Australia, about 8 million. So we're gonna get started with a pound of lamb. We're going to add an egg. Now you can omit the egg if you don't eat eggs. We have some delicious, fragrant cumin that we're gonna put in. We have some dried oregano, a little bit of pepper, some salt, some breadcrumb, not too much, just to make it stick together. And then I'm going to add some fresh garlic. Now you can also use garlic powder. Get rid of that little bunda. So just 1 clove of garlic. But you gotta get it nice and tiny. All right. I'm gonna put that in there. And now I'm gonna start making the balls. We're gonna bake these in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350. This is gluten-free breadcrumb, in case y'all were wondering. All right, so we're gonna make them about palm-sized. They don't have to be perfect, but they do have to be balls. All right, we've made our meatballs and we're gonna just pop them in the oven for about 15 minutes. Cool. We're gonna make some C60 Power avocado oil tzatziki sauce. First, we're gonna take the seeds out of this cucumber, or else it'll make our tzatziki sauce way too watery. Then we're just going to cut them in half, pop them in the blender. Then we're gonna put some dill in there, about a tablespoon or so of lemon juice. It's about a half a lemon. We have some organic grass-fed yogurt, full fat, plain obviously. You don't want any flavors in your yogurt when you're making tzatziki sauce. And then we are going to put some of our delicious and nutritious C60 oil, avocado oil, 2 tablespoons. There we go. And last but certainly not least, just a pinch of pepper and a pinch of salt. And we'll blend this bad boy up. I can feel the power. Can you feel the power of the C60 Power avocado oil? It's perfect. Now let's get the meatballs out of the oven and let's garnish these up. These meatballs smell delicious. I am so excited to plate these bad boys up and to get these in my belly. Always use a little garnish in your sauces. It makes it look so much prettier. We have our delicious and nutritious C60 powered avocado oil tzatziki sauce with delicious gluten-free lamb meatballs.